Today marks an incredible and proud moment for Indian Armed Forces and the nation. Seeing the Vice Chiefs of the Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force come together to fly in the indigenous THEJAS fighter. In a powerful symbol of unity and strength across all branches of the military. This event not only showcases the capabilities and success of India's defense manufacturing, but also highlights the confidence the military leadership has in homegrown technology. Truly a historic day, touch the sky with glory, the motto of the Indian Air Force.